How much is a mommy makeover? Well, there's more misinformation about mommy makeover pricing than any other plastic surgery procedure. There is no average price because there is no average mom. A mommy makeover is not one procedure, but generally a combination of procedures based on the unique needs of a woman. A mommy makeover may include a full tummy tuck, a mini tummy tuck, skin excision from the lower abdomen, or liposuction around that midsection. It may include a breast lift with implants, a breast reduction, or breast implants. Some women are interested in liposuction of the back, bra line, or arms to get their pre-baby body back. There are two consistent truths about mommy makeovers. First, you are somebody's mom. That means people are depending on you. Your safety, comfort, and ability to resume activities as quickly as possible are of paramount importance. And secondly, we have yet to meet a mom who did not want to strengthen her pelvic floor. Emcella procedures, a non-surgical, no downtime procedure to help strengthen the pelvic floor, minimize or eliminate urinary incontinence, and tighten the vagina are included at no charge for all mommy makeover patients. To get a better idea of pricing prior to consultation, where you would be provided with a quote and exact price that is all-inclusive, think about body area by body area and the changes you'd like to see. From there, we can help to provide a price estimate that is closer to range to what you will find after receiving a surgical quote. Some women consider staging surgeries and maybe starting with one area. There is not a cost benefit to doing more surgery at one time at Blue Water Plastic Surgery. Of course, there are OR setup fees in any practice, but we offer price consideration to loyal patients. We never want a patient to feel pressured into doing more than they wish to do in order to save money. For women who are interested in multiple procedures, Dr. Law and Dr. Schmidt only perform surgery they feel will be safe. They take every precaution to be sure that patients leave the OR pain-free and with a smile on their face. And they implement every possible option to get a mom back to her normal routine as quickly as possible after surgery. You are someone's mom. You are unique and you are special. Your experience at Blue Water Plastic Surgery will be unique and special too.